Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Hy300 projector and selecting its input. Once done, check your phone's port and whether it supports video output. This determines wired versus wireless. If you choose wired, plug a USB-C or Lightning adapter into your phone, then to the projector's HDMI. Make sure the projector says HDMI on screen. If you go wireless, enable the projector's Wi-Fi mode now. Make these choices early so subsequent steps only require pairing or inserting one cable. Now you configure the connection. For a wired link, set your phone's display output to 1920x1080 or a lower value to avoid scaling issues. Then the image should appear instantly. For wireless, open your phone's screen mirroring or CAS menu, select the Hy300 SSID, and accept any pairing prompt or PIN on the projector. Once connected, use the Hy300 focus and keystone controls to sharpen the image, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for proper framing. Finish by confirming audio and video behave as expected. Choose projector speakers or route sound to an external AMP via the Hy300 audio out. Make sure orientation lock is off on your phone so the image rotates correctly. If you see lag, close background apps and restart the phone or projector. If nothing appears, reselect the Hy300 input, swap the HDMI cable or adapter, and try another phone to isolate the fault. That single swap often reveals whether the adapter or projector is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.